Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on the new TCL STYLUS 5G. Huge thanks and shout out to TCL for sending this out for us to go ahead and take a look at here on the channel. Like I said, this is just going to be my unboxing and first impressions of this device right here. So again, this is the TCL STYLUS 5G. This is what the front of the box is going to look like. Of course, we get the device in the front with showing some of the back of the device with the cameras. Looks like we got a 4-camera setup in the back, and then that display. Going to the right of the box, just some TCL branding, TCL STYLUS 5G, going down to the bottom and the top, nothing much. But here in the back, it gives us some of the specs and features. So of course, we got the stylus support. So this is kind of going to be like your Samsung Note device where they have that S Pen integrated into the device. Well, same thing with this phone right here. We get the stylus integrated in the phone, so it is always with you. A 6.81-inch Full HD Plus display, a 50 megapixel main camera, Core X8, and 128 gigabytes of internal storage, along with the option to expand that storage up to 2 terabytes. So there is an SD card slot in here, which is amazing. That is awesome. That is something that I always like to see in a smartphone. And then 4 gigabytes of RAM. But let's go and get this open. As you can see, I've already cut this open right here just to save us a little bit of time here in this video. Let's go and lift this up, set that over to the side, and we are greeted with the phone, TCL STYLUS 5G. So as you can see here up at the top, it does let us know that the SIM card and SD card slot is right here to the side. Let's go ahead and slide it out of the plastic here. Woo, there it is. Look at that display right there. Looking all nice and brand new. Going to the back of the device. All right, not looking too bad. So it looks like we've got a nice matte finish in the back here, so it shouldn't attract too many fingerprints. And it is only available in this color at the moment. It's like a nice matte black color. There's that camera setup in the back. Like I said, 4 cameras, and of course we got a flash. It does pop out just a little bit, but not too much. But for around a $250 to $260 device, that's kind of where it's going right now. It's looking pretty good, and it's only available on T-Mobile at the moment. Later on this year, it will be available with other carriers. And I believe at the moment, T-Mobile is offering this phone for free if you do open up a new line. So you guys can go check that out. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Then at the bottom, we do have some TCL branding, as you can see there. And then going down to the bottom of the device, we got a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is something that you do not see in a lot of devices these days. So pretty nice that they added that there. A microphone, USB Type-C charging port, the speaker, and then of course that stylus. So let's go and take this out. Let's see what this looks like. All right, so it's a little on the small side, but I mean, it's not too bad. Let's get a close look at this. This is what that stylus is going to look like. Now there is no Bluetooth functionality from what I know so far. As you can see, there's no button or anything like that. So, you know, with the Galaxy Note devices and the S22 Ultra, we do have that Bluetooth feature where we can use the S Pen without actually, you know, putting it to the device. I don't believe we have that option with this. But again, this is, you know, around a $250 device. I mean, you can't really complain. Look at that. Pops in there nice and easy. So nice little feature there. It's nice to, you know, always have that with your device if you ever do need it. Over here to the left side of the phone, you do have the SD card and SIM card slot. Going up to the top, we got the microphone. It's kind of got like a nice texture going all the way around the device, all the sides, the bottom, the edges and all that. So that's pretty cool. Going over to the right, we got the power button and the volume rocker. So I'm gonna go ahead and power this on. Should have some juice. All right, so it's turning on right there. Let's see what else comes in the box while we let that turn on. So let's see here, we got the user manuals and all that stuff. Look at it. That's it. And the SIM card ejector tool. Go ahead and set that over to the side. And then we got a charging brick, which is something that you don't see in the boxes of new smartphones these days. So they actually include that along with the cable USB Type-C, USB Type-A right here. And that is all that comes in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign into the device, download a couple apps, and then we'll take a closer look into the device. All right, so I am all signed in and ready to go, as you can see here. And I do gotta say that the display on this device is actually pretty nice. Even though it is a 1080p display, it doesn't have 120 hertz. I've kind of been messing around with it a little bit, and it is a nice display. And, you know, I would expect it to be because, you know, TCL, they make displays, they make, you know, for TVs that look really, really good. So I would expect their smartphone displays to look just as good. And they've actually done a great job with this one. I mean, the colors really pop. They look nice and vibrant. So really, really nice display. Like I said, you're not getting 120 hertz of smoothness. It is a 60 hertz display. But I mean, it's still pretty smooth for the most part. For a $250 device, I mean, you can't really complain. And we can even go into the settings here just to make sure that 120 hertz is not available. All right, so we are here in the display settings. As you can see, I got my brightness level at around 75%, adaptive brightness. I'm gonna go and turn that off. Dark mode, I actually want to turn that on, darker display mode. Okay, dark mode. Oh, okay, this is how you turn on dark mode actually. There we go. All right, so this darker display mode, in dark light environment, turn on darker display mode to achieve your lower screen brightness. Okay, so it's pretty much like an adaptive darker display mode. Eye comfort mode, sleep. Let me turn that up. Let's go about 5 minutes. Color mode and temperature, got that set to vivid. And then of course we also have an advanced mode where you can set it yourself, but I'm gonna go ahead and just keep it as is on vivid. Let's see, did it change? Where'd it go? Here we go. Let's go back to vivid because I actually really like the way that looks. Font size, font style. Yeah, I don't see anything that shows me that we can be able to switch this up to 120 hertz. But again, still a beautiful looking display, not looking too bad. If we go up here to the top, as you can see, we do have a punch hole camera cutout for that selfie camera. Now, one thing I am curious in checking out is the stylus. So let's pull the stylus out. Here we go. And as you can see, it does bring up some features that are available for this stylus. So starting off with Nebo for TCL, and I kind of, you know, went into this before I started the video, just to check them out really, really quick, but not really going too in depth with them. Okay, continue without accepting. So no pages. So it's kind of like a notebook, I guess. If we tap the little plus sign down there at the bottom, import as PDF, do freeform page, new page, just go to new page. And okay, I guess, let's see, did we do this? Okay, we can start typing, or if we click on the pen up here, we could start writing. Look at that. So if I want to write something like, let's see, asking you guys to, okay, something's going on right here. Okay, SU, try writing. Okay, so you actually have to write in smaller characters on the line since it's pretty much like a paper mode. Okay, so that's what that is. Let's go ahead and go back. And the S Pen features will be down here at the left, which you could move around if you want to. You just click on that little pencil and they will come up. Or S Pen, I keep saying S Pen, it's a stylus. For this phone, it is called a stylus. We got a My Script Calculator 2. Let's see what this is. Continue without accepting, calculate. Okay. Oh, okay, that looks pretty cool. Is it gonna answer? Okay, let's see, next. Let's see, 2 plus 2 equals, is it gonna answer it for me? Whoa, look at that. Okay, let's do this again, 10 plus 12 equals, what? Okay, 12 times 12, that 2 kind of looks not like it, okay. Because I didn't write it right. Okay, what's 122 times 2 times 5 equals, let's see, whoa, that is awesome. So, okay, I can see myself using that a lot. I know I'm kind of tripping out over here. Okay, write a note, pretty self-explanatory. If I want to ask you guys to subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Boom, right there. Okay, what's next? Screenshot doodle. Okay, so I'm assuming it's going to screenshot. Okay, it's basically going to screenshot the screen you're already on, and then you can doodle over that. E-signature. Okay, if you want to write your signature or whatever, it'll save that for you. Let's see, what else do we got? Magnifying window. Whoa, okay. See, how do we move this? Whoa, look at that. Look at that. So if you're someone who's hard of seeing, you know, you have a hard time seeing, maybe when you're texting and things like that, you can pull this up if you want. That way you can be able to read the display better. Look at that. Actually really, really cool. Okay, what else? Got a GIF maker. Okay, I need to get rid of this magnifying screen. There we go, GIF maker. Let's see. Hello. If I push the little check mark. No, I don't want to exit. Okay, there we go. So you can make your own little GIFs or GIFs. I don't know. Some people say GIFs, some people say GIFs. I'm one of the ones that say GIFs. And then we have a split screen mode. So if we want to do the Play Store up here, and we'll do, let's see, we'll do YouTube down here. And boom, you got your split screen. Look at that. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Not too bad. Not too bad. You know, got some pretty useful stylus features right here. And if we go into the settings, let's see, I want to get rid of that second screen. Stylus, got a shortcut panel, screen memo, screen off memo, and stylus button. So it seems like for now, these are the only features we can, oh, and you can also move it from side to side if you want. Okay, so that's pretty cool as well. And then when you're done with it, all you got to do is just stick it back in there, and then that little pencil icon will remove itself. So overall, as far as first impressions go for this device right here, like I said, going around, you know, 250 to 260 bucks or for free through T-Mobile right now, I mean, it's not really a bad deal, to be honest, just based off of my first impressions. Of course, you know, I'm going to continue using it and testing it out, testing out the cameras, of course, maybe making a couple of phone calls, watching some content to test out the speakers and all that, and really seeing how this stylus does over time. I'll be testing it out, and then I'll be bringing my full review for this phone right here to give you my full thoughts of this device. But y'all let me know what you think so far down in the comment sections below, just based off of this unboxing and first impressions of this device right here. What do you think? Do you think you can see yourself getting this device for yourself, especially for the price? You know, maybe you're one of those people that don't want to pay, you know, over $1,000 for, you know, a decent smartphone. So, I mean, this could be a good option for you. But y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one.